Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to you all. Yeah, today I'm gonna show you something cool. I'm gonna control two computers using my iPad. Okay, this is computer 1 and that is computer 2. Okay, this is my iPad. Okay, as you can see, I can control the mouse and it's controlling this computer. Okay, from this computer I'm controlling that computer. I don't know. Okay, let me shut. As you can see, the mouse is stagnant there, right? Yep. I can control the mouse and let's open Internet Explorer. Okay, you can see Internet Explorer opening here and also there. So I'm controlling both computers using my iPad. Okay, let's close the Internet Explorer on that computer. Over here. Yep, it's closed. Now let's shut this one down. Yep, this is my desktop. Let me open an application here. I can also control it here using this mouse. So what I'm doing is, let me zoom out here. Okay. What you're seeing now is the screen of computer 1. Right? Now we use this application, go to this one to go to computer 2. Right? You can see me moving the mouse there. Okay, actually I'm moving it over here. No, I'm moving it over here. Okay, so that's how you control two computers using an iPad. This is very convenient if you need to do work on your iPad but you didn't bring your laptop along. While you can do your work on your iPad. It's not installing Windows 7 on iPad, it's just that you're connecting to a Windows 7 and a Windows Vista or whatever Windows you want to connect to your server. That's about it, I guess. And if you want to learn, you can always message me. I'm willing to teach. Alright, take care guys.